HVAC Outsourcing Services are the future of engineering projects. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It controls temperature, airflow, and humidity in buildings. Outsourcing HVAC design helps contractors with expert drawings and models. 1. Efficient designs. Outsourced HVAC layouts maximize system efficiency and reduce costs. 2. Advanced technology. 3D models and BIM coordination improve accuracy and clash detection. 3. Time savings. Detailed drawings save hundreds of man-hours during installation. 4. Cost-effective. Outsourcing offers affordable, customized HVAC solutions. 5. Expert team. Qualified engineers handle complex projects with fast, reliable delivery. Why outsource HVAC services? Outsourcing HVAC design means smoother installation and less material waste. It provides clear duct and pipe layouts with precise dimensions and tags. You get fabrication-ready drawings and detailed project information. This helps contractors focus on construction while experts handle design. For quality HVAC engineering, consider outsourcing to trusted providers like HVAC Outsourcing Services.